Alright guys, I'm at a new location. So it's been a while since any video has been taken because I myself has been ill, but I would like to introduce you to a fellow explorer.
Hey guys.
This is Razor Twisted, brilliant guy. Get subscribing to him and all that for more videos of him. And let's go into here guys. Yep. Let's see what we can do. Alright guys, see you in a sec. Alright guys, we're having this, which looks like a really nice house to go in. So hopefully we can get in. Let's have a walk around the grounds first. Look at it. Nice big size car park here.
Here with
and
Rob from Raw Explores.
You know guys?
Our lad is link in description.
Yeah. That's Razor Twisted. Which I didn't realise that I went straight past that. And Razor actually noticed it. Can't believe I actually walked past it, which I'm gutted. I'll get some photos after for that guys. It does look like some stuff being done in this. So we're going to have a walk round and see what happens guys. Shall we? Looks like, yeah, one there is no door under there. It looks like that's been snapped off and things put in the way. This must be an area where people are in just relaxing stuff wise and that. No, that's locked, so I can't get in there. Got a funny feeling this place is locked as well. It's not locked, but as you can see, there's screws been put through on there. They're probably about 6-inch screws, guys. That's been put on there.
Fairly boarded.
But yeah, as you can see, guys. Yeah, people are just. It looks like people have tried trashing the place from inside. That's probably why it's completely locked up. But hey, let's see what we can do. Right. I presume that's down there is where laundry was put or done at this place. As you can see, there's a door there. When there's bedrooms up there as well, guys. Is that locked as well?
Yeah. There's no handles on them.
Yeah, I've noticed that. But yeah, it's I bet this was a nice place to live at one point because it's a decent size gardens and all that here. You see just there, there's stuff that's been left. As you can see, really private, decent size gardens and all that. But we have noticed that on the doors as well, there's no handles. So I'm wondering if that's because it's stopping people from getting in. And that. See again there, as you can see, no handle on it again. But look, you've got garden furniture here still. Slates from the roof. Oh, have we found a way in?
Maybe.
It looks like we have. But with the size of me, I don't think I'll be fitting through that small hole.
Might pop up.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not too sure if it's popping up.
I got a funny feeling they've bottled it down good and pop, aren't they?
Yeah.
But yeah, it looks like it's got a cellar in this, guys, as well. And it does look like there's some work being done. look here guys, see, there's trenching been made, your gas pipe there, which you can see connected to the mains. Let's have a look. Oh, they've all been screwed shut. Yeah, as you can see guys, there's a screw there and a screw there that they've done. That's to stop people from going in and wrecking it, which, to tell you the truth, I don't blame them, because this does actually look, it does look like it used to be a nice place to be.
It's got that sort of shiva feel to it.
Yeah, it has.
Almost like ramp hole, isn't it?
Yeah. Look, that architectural gear on there. It's amazing. Oh.
Just out of curiosity.
Yeah, it doesn't ring. Hello, anyone in? But yeah, it's it looks like people have actually come here before. And as you can see up there,
Only another option up
yeah,
there.
well, you can see where people have actually got in and probably wrecked the place inside. That's why they've done all this here, boarded up good and proper, so no one can get in. But yeah, back at the front of it guys, you've got a little plant pot area there. It looks like some work is being done out, but we don't know how far ahead, and there's a car park here, so we're going to try and do it to see if we can get in guys. If we can, it'd be awesome if we can. I've seen this part before, that's screwed on. That's got 2 screws in there. But it's a shame that it's like this, like other people actually do this too, places like this. Just tried that and I can't get it open. It's just a shame really guys. It really is a shame. See if we can just try in this window. I can't get in. Even if these windows did open, I won't be able to get in anyway because of it all being boarded, guys. It is a shame we can't get in there because this is the loosest one out of them all, and it's because of 4 screws in this one. But hey, let's see what we can do, guys. Hopefully we can do something. Back round there. It's like, oh man, it's there are still old wooden windows as well. No, there's nowhere to get. There's no way of getting in here. It's a shame we didn't know the owner. Could have had got the key. Yeah, there's different ways of getting in, but it's one of them guys. Let's try this door. We videoed it, but let's see if we can get in, shall we? No, just tried. It's loose, but not loose enough for us. As you can see, all the windows, doors and all that were all boarded up, guys. I really want to get in here as well. It looks like a place which would be really good to do. No. No. But as you can see here, guys, there's a stand-aid lift there. A stand-aid lift, which I know it's a stand-aid lift, guys, because I used to be a carer and that's what they used.
To pick the patients up, is it?
Yeah, so what they do is they put the feet on the bottom there, strap them in with different straps around here. Then, yeah. Well, once that's done, it's electronically, it just helps them to stand up and all that. And it's brilliant equipment. It really is. Look at this, guys. Look at it. That's that stain and all that. Everything else that the maintenance guy would have. And all that. Right.
Nice border.
I presume that used to be the big boiler. Electrics and all that in there, guys. We set some off.
Might be.
Yeah, kitchen. Yeah, I think we've set some off, guys.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah, we have.
Have we?
Yeah. There's a lift there. Try and get as much as we can, guys. And the bedrooms and all that. Before anyone else comes. What's in there?
Just bedrooms.
Just bedrooms is.
Yeah.
Yeah, try and get as much as we can. Wardrobes. Water's off, so that's good. Yeah, I think we've yeah, we're going to hurry up with this.
What's all this?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely on land, right?
Yeah. We've triggered it off big time. Yeah. Sorry about this, guys, but we've got to be as quick as we can. It's a big kitchen. Jesus Christ, man. Alright, guys. I'm going to cut it short. Wow. Because of what's happening. Yeah, I think this one's going to be cut short. Big time. We didn't think it was alarmed. Shit, how did I get down? This way. Let's get out, guys. Is it this way, yeah?
Yeah, I remember that bit though.
Oh, right, yeah. Here it is, guys. Back here. Alright, guys, I'm going to turn off now and get out of here, guys. So, see you at the next one. Alright, guys. Sorry it's a short video. We was hoping to get the lot done, but we have to get the hell out of there. Well, do a bit of filming and get the hell out of there. As you can tell, we rushed and that. Pair was. Jesus, that alarm was loud.
I didn't even put my hat on properly.
Mate, I didn't even put my gloves on. Jesus. But yeah, getting in and getting out. As you can tell, a bit filthy. And I am as well. First time I've gone on and explore and actually got proper filthy. Jesus. But as you can tell, I am sweating. I'm doing it all by hand at the moment, so it don't look a bit suspicious, even though we're absolutely filthy. Jeez, mad. Alright guys, I know it wasn't much because of what happened and all that, but hope you enjoyed the video that me and Razor's done. Subscribe to the pair of us. Razor's a good lad, good explorer and that, so let's see what happens next. See you later guys.